Hey guys, Jim from the Jim on Homes channel. You know, last September I did a video on re-nourishing our beach in Florida, and I said in that video I would come back and give you an update. And so here it is. Beach looks phenomenal. They did an excellent job. It's at least twice as big as it used to be, at least. Um, and it's still beautiful down there. One of the things though, and you'll notice this when you see the video, there's not very many people on the beach. And the locals have said that COVID has really hit them hard. People from other countries are not coming here. Um, so it's kind of strange, but I'm hoping things will get back to normal, and I hope everybody's doing well. Hey, if you could do me a favor and you haven't already subscribed, would you click that subscribe button for me? Also give it a like and a thumbs up. Really helps. Just really appreciate it. Thank you.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. Wherever the oceans are. If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not.